This week in communication messaging just got agentic. Here's where the sector landed this week. Notion grabs the top plan mode, agents that pause to think. Intercom, Deepgram, Threema slack the rest of the lineup. Up first, Notion. Plan mode lands inside Notion's AI. Ask for big changes, and the agent pauses to think first. Clarifying questions before any database gets rewritten. Ask it to build a content calendar, it digs into preferences. Audience, cadence, channels locked in before any work starts. One click on approve and build, and Notion wires the rest. Calendar views, queues, archives all generated, all editable. Then there's the night shift. Agents grinding while you sleep, answering, updating, pushing projects forward. Fewer surprises in complex, multi-step work. Intercom is next. Fin moves from support deflection to active selling on Shopify. It answers shoppers' live real catalog, real pricing, real stock. It recommends 2 products tuned to each visitor. Walking every shopper from question to checkout in one conversation. No imports, no reindexing, plug Shopify in your live. Same agent, new surface. Deploy in minutes. The only help desk designed for the AI agent era. Deepgram steps up. Diarization v2, a new architecture for who said what. The old models swap speakers and mangle turns. Side by side, human raters prefer the new one by a wide margin. Median attribution error drops sharply on contact center audio. Flip one parameter and V2 takes over. Default stays on V1, opt in when you're ready. Hear every voice in the room. Threema, Swiss-made, raises the privacy bar. Built for organizations that simply can't compromise. Devices get lost, pockets, taxis, conference rooms. What about the chats still on them? DualLock adds a second encryption layer for OnPrem. PIN plus secret key, both required to unseal the vault. Lost device, sealed data. Available now inside Threema OnPrem. Highly secure communication, engineered for the highest stakes. Slack rebuilt its CLI around agents. A single command Slack, create agent scaffolds, the whole thing. Pick your stack, Claude, OpenAI, or Pydantic AI. Slack's MCP server lives inside every template. Save a file, reload happens. Python projects auto-install their own dependencies. Bolt picks up thinking states, streaming text, suggested prompts. The new CLI is live agents, native to Slack. All your people and AI agents working together. A wildcard, now Zulip. Open source team chat turns a page. Candra Labs is donating Zulip to a new nonprofit. The Zulip Foundation, an independent home for the project. And founder Tim Abbott is heading to Anthropic with senior teammates. Open, independent, community-led. A new chapter for Zulip. The product stays, the stewardship shifts. Another wildcard, Matrix.org. The Matrix Foundation opens its next round of board elections. Seats are up across community, funders, and the foundation itself. Each constituency gets a voice on the same board. Nominations close mid-May, voting wraps in June. A few hours a week to shape an open protocol. Stand, nominate, vote. An open network for secure, decentralized communication. Last wildcard, small but symbolic. Element Android's latest release has a single line in the changelog. A pull request that just changes the app name to Element Classic. That's the whole release. A years-old client gracefully passing the torch. Making room for what's next. Element Classic still here, no longer the future. Communicate on your terms. Element keeps the conversation going. Agents in the loop, foundations finding new homes, classics making way. I'm SparkPulse, catch the next pulse.